ocean is a vast, mysterious world that covers more than 70% of our planet's surface, yet we've explored only a fraction of its depths. Beneath the shimmering waves lies a realm teeming with creatures so bizarre, so wondrous, that it's hard to believe they exist outside the pages of science fiction. Today, we're diving deep to discover some of the wildest, most unbelievable ocean creatures ever found by scientists and explorers. Get ready to have your mind blown by the sheer variety and strangeness of life in the sea. Let's begin with the gulper eel, also known as the pelican eel. Found at depths of up to 10,000 feet, this remarkable fish is rarely seen by humans. Its most striking feature is its enormous mouth, which can open wide enough to engulf prey much larger than itself. The gulper eel's body tapers into a long whip-like tail, and it has a bioluminescent organ at the tip that glows in the darkness, luring unsuspecting victims within striking range. With its gaping jaws and eerie light, the gulper eel looks more like a creature from a nightmare than a living animal on our own planet. Next, we have the flamboyant cuttlefish. Unlike most cuttlefish, which are masters of camouflage, the flamboyant cuttlefish advertises its presence with bold, pulsating colors, yellows, purples, reds, and whites flashing across its skin. When threatened, it puts on a dazzling display, warning predators that it's highly toxic. In fact, the flamboyant cuttlefish is one of the few poisonous cephalopods known to science. Its venom is as potent as that of the blue-ringed octopus, making it both beautiful and dangerous. Now let's travel even deeper into the crushing darkness of the midnight zone, where we find the anglerfish. The female anglerfish sports a dangling bioluminescent lure on her head, which she uses to attract prey in the pitch-black waters. But what's even stranger is the anglerfish's reproductive strategy. When a male finds a female, he latches onto her body with his teeth, fusing into her flesh and becoming a permanent parasite, providing sperm in exchange for nutrients. This bizarre relationship is one of the most unusual in the animal kingdom. From the depths, we move closer to the surface to meet the mantis shrimp, a creature whose appearance and abilities are truly out of this world. Mantis shrimps come in dazzling colors, but don't let their beauty fool you. They are formidable predators, armed with either spear-like appendages or club-like limbs that can strike with the speed of a bullet. The force of a mantis shrimp's punch is so powerful it can shatter aquarium glass and stun prey with a shockwave. Even more amazing, mantis shrimps have some of the most complex eyes in the animal kingdom. They can see ultraviolet, infrared, and polarized light, giving them a view of the world that no other animal can match. Let's not forget the immortal jellyfish, Turritopsis dohrnii. This tiny, translucent creature has a unique ability. When threatened by disease, injury, or aging, it can revert its cells back to their earliest form and start its life cycle over again. In theory, this means the jellyfish could live forever, making it the closest thing to immortal life on Earth. Scientists are still studying how this process works, hoping it might one day unlock secrets about aging and regeneration. Among the most visually striking creatures is the leafy sea dragon. Related to seahorses, this Australian marvel is covered in leaf-like appendages that blend perfectly with seaweed and kelp. Its camouflage is so effective that predators and divers alike have trouble spotting it among the swaying underwater plants. The leafy sea dragon's slow, graceful movements make it look like a piece of drifting seaweed, but up close, its delicate beauty is unmistakable. Moving on, we encounter the vampire squid, a master of survival in the deep sea. Despite its intimidating name, the vampire squid doesn't suck blood. Instead, it has dark, webbed arms that it can wrap around itself to form a cloak, hiding from predators in the darkness. Its body is equipped with photophores, light-producing organs, that it uses to create flashes of blue light, confusing attackers and allowing it to make a quick escape. The vampire squid thrives in oxygen-poor waters where many other creatures can't survive, making it a true specialist of the deep. Another astonishing resident of the ocean's twilight zone is the barrel-eye fish. This fish is instantly recognizable thanks to its transparent, dome-shaped head, through which you can see its large, tubular eyes. These eyes can rotate within the head, allowing the barrel eye to look upward to spot prey silhouetted against the faint light above, or forward to navigate through the water. This adaptation is perfectly suited to life in the deep, where every advantage counts in the search for food. Then there's the Yeti crab, discovered only in 2005 near hydrothermal vents in the South Pacific. This crab is covered in long, silky, hair-like structures that resemble the fur of the mythical Yeti. Scientists believe these hairs are actually colonies of bacteria, which the crab farms and eats for sustenance. The Yeti crab thrives in scalding, toxic waters that would be deadly to most other forms of life, showing how adaptable and resilient ocean creatures can be. Let's also marvel at the glass octopus, a nearly transparent cephalopod rarely seen by humans. Its gelatinous body allows it to blend seamlessly with its watery surroundings, making it nearly invisible to predators. Only its optic nerves, eyes, and digestive tract are clearly visible, giving it an almost ghostly appearance as it drifts silently through the deep. And finally, the giant siphonophore, a creature so strange it defies easy description. This deep-sea organism looks like a single, enormous animal, sometimes stretching over 100 feet long. But it's actually a colony made up of thousands of specialized individuals, each performing a different function. Together, they form one of the longest living things in the world, drifting through the ocean like a living tapestry. The ocean is a world of extremes, where life has evolved in incredible ways to survive in darkness, pressure, and isolation. From glowing predators and shape-shifting jellyfish to armored shrimp with superpowered punches, the creatures of the deep remind us just how little we know about our own planet. Every year, scientists discover new species and unravel new mysteries, proving that the ocean is full of wonders waiting to be found. So next time you look out over the waves, remember, beneath the surface lies a hidden universe, teeming with life stranger and more beautiful than anything we could ever imagine. The wild ocean creatures you won't believe exist are out there, waiting to be discovered. Their secrets still hidden in the deep. Hey there! If you enjoyed this video and love learning about the wonders of the ocean, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want to see more amazing content like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. I've got plenty more videos exploring ocean mysteries, incredible sea creatures, and everything in between. So if this kind of content excites you, check out some of my other videos. You might discover something even more fascinating. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.